Here we go, my first ever ultra marathon, 50 kilometers around the South Downs from Arundel. Very excited, very nervous. 150 competitors. Oh, it's freezing cold, it's about 40 degrees, but it'll warm up pretty quick. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Oh, 3 minutes to go. No idea how this is gonna go. Just gonna try and pace it well. Don't go out too fast, but probably will. Let's see how it goes.
Great run, everybody. Good luck.
Here we go.
Look after each other. Thank you.
I learned so much in this race, and I'm going to pass on a few key learnings later in the video, including one tip that I've not heard anyone else mention before.
So making sure start nice and slowly, 6 kilometers an hour. Beautiful. It's nice to run with people as well.
The run out of Arundel was beautiful, and I was just warming up by the time we hit our first hill. I was confused that people were already walking. I would later find out why. I clearly hadn't done enough research onto how to tackle an ultra, so I decided to follow the crowd and walk as well. I'm so used to racing over shorter distances, it felt strange, and I was itching to overtake people. I was just, as expected, way too excited. The scenery was incredible already, and the weather couldn't have been more perfect. It was hard not to start happily burning through all of the week's pasta and rice stored in my body. I had to keep forcing myself to slow down between 6 and 7 kilometers an hour, but I just couldn't help myself.
So I started the race last. So I was taking a photo at the back of the pack. Beautiful. And then got really blocked in for the first couple of kilometers. It was quite tight. And then, yeah, the temptation now is to slowly pick people off, but got to maintain my pacing if I want to get a sub 6. A lot of people are just walking up all the hills. I'll do the steep ones, but not this one. Just keep it going. Don't get too excited.
I was clearly too excited.
Okay, just hit 10k. Exactly 1 hour. It's exactly what I want to do. Because then it gives me about an hour buffer to make sure I get sub 6. Sub 6 is pushy for my first ultra, but got to challenge myself. Feeling good at the moment, but I know from my training I've got a long way to go. It's pretty much been all uphill as well so far, so. And I think, well, I know the last 20k is fairly downhill on the whole, so hopefully gonna be okay. There's a couple other runners up front. Targets are quiet. Beautiful up here. See the coastline of Bognor all the way over to Portsmouth pretty much. Such a beautiful day for it. South Downs is one of the most beautiful national parks anywhere. It's incredible. So the reason I'm doing this is I turned 40 in July and I want to do loads of really cool things, memorable things. So we're going to Iceland in May with the family. Can't wait, absolutely can't wait. Always wanted to go to Iceland. And doing an ultra. Already been to Thailand with the lads. Celebrate our 40th, which was so much fun. And yeah, probably do a few other things as well, but really excited. Looks like I just got to the first aid station. Nice little downhill stretch on grass, lovely. Oh, what a beautiful place for an aid station. Kind of made my way to the middle of the pack quite easily, but these guys seem to be going at the same pace, so I can't catch them, but might have a quick turnaround here because I'm feeling good, but quick stretch, fill my bottles up, crack on.
None of that actually happened, and I faffed about for over 5 minutes, putting my glasses in my bag and taking way too long to choose what to eat. I wasted precious time that should have been used to eat and stretch. These mistakes would cost me later.
Nightmare. Just had that lovely stop, but somehow I managed to stop my watch. So my commute was just gone back to the start. So I don't know what my average pace is, but I can kind of work it out. But I think if I carry on at about this pace, it should be right. I'm trying not to worry about it. Oh. At the end of the day, I'll get an official time from having my GPS tracker on me, so not the end of the world, but Would have liked to have it on my my stats on my phone. Oh well. So lesson one already. Make sure I do a backup on my phone as well. Maybe start Strava or something at the same time. Just so I've got something on there. But hey ho, I'm having a great time. Feeling good, legs are feeling good. And most importantly, my guts is feeling good. I have not needed to go to the poo because the last couple of days I've just had carbs pretty much. A little bit of fibre, a little bit of veg, a little bit of protein, but mostly pasta and chips. And so far so good. Fingers crossed that stays away. I've got to overtake this guy again now. I had a bit of a slow stop there. Oh well, crack on. Okay, that's 20k in now. Bang on 2 hours pretty much. Feeling pretty good, feeling energetic. My knee's hurting a little bit. I'm hoping that it'll just pass. Well, really struggling now. I am 25k's in, halfway. Legs is feeling quite sore. My knees are a bit sore. My right knee. Oh, hoping that. Go slowly for a bit, stretch out a little bit, get some food, stop when I see the family, and then crack on. Home straight. Look how beautiful this is though. Running down this lovely hill, down to the river, and yeah, one more big hill to go.
At this aid stop, the staff asked me how I was doing repeatedly. I only later realised why they were so keen to ask how I was. I really started to struggle to eat as well, not a good sign. Pizza was good though. That beautiful long downhill really took out of me and the lactic acid was really building up. My knees were sore. It was frustrating as I felt so energetic still, but my body was not happy. It started getting tough mentally, but a real boost was at the top of the next hill.
Supporters! Daddy! Flicky!
Good job, come on, Miley, come on!
You're running with me! Oh, it's a bit steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's Coach Mike. Oh mate, that looks so steep. See you in a bit, Molly. See you in a bit, Flicky.
Okay.
Yeah, this is definitely a walker, this bit here.
What's beyond this? Surely it's near the top.
Yeah, and then I think it's a lot of downhill. You tempted to do one?
Yeah, it is tempting.
Yeah, it's great fun.
Just
got to pace it.
When I join you after 30k, it's a sunny day.
Yeah. I like the gates because I have a little stretch.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice one, Mike.
Take it easy, mate.
Oh.
See you soon.
Cheers, mate. Appreciate that.
Sorry, we can't see you at the finish line, mate. But finish.
Yeah. I'll see you next week.
Point, right? Take care.
Cheers, mate. Bye. Oh, honestly, this hill, absolute bastard. Whew. That was amazing help to have family and friends meet me there at 30k. Needed that little boost and break. Derobe as well. Whew. Oh man, absolutely dying. Got about 18k to go, I think. So I can do this. It's mostly downhill from here. God, this one's steep though. There's a proper hand on these one. Oh. Right, keep going. 15 kilometres to go. Well and truly in the pain cave. Both knees like just agony, jelly. I feel like I've got energy, but my legs, oh man, just jelly. Ooh. Beautiful scenery, keep it going. I think when I get under 10k to go, that'll feel good. It's mostly downhill. Really struggling. It'll overtake me quite a lot. Slowed down massively down to like 7k. Just dreaming of that point. Come on, matey. I can do this. One foot in front of the other. That aid station was an absolute godsend. 12k to go. They were so friendly, so lovely to me. So it was my first time and said I'm doing really well. Oh, bloody hell, I'm struggling. Just got some flapjack, some jelly babies and whatever, and filled up my juices. A couple of gels. stretch out a little bit, a little walk, and then last little bit to go. It's hard. Just had a nice little downhill. 11 k's to go. Single file. Walking up another steep bit. And then I think it's all downhill from there. 10k or so downhill, hopefully. Oh man. Lots of lessons learned. Fuck. I think just pacing, number one. Really, although I felt amazing for the first 20, as soon as I hit the hills, I should have walked like everyone else is doing, because I'm suffering for it now. But it's all good. On the home straight now. I haven't really looked up to see the scenery in a while, but it's beautiful. Look at this. Incredible. Got to watch my feet. Don't turn an ankle. Alright.
Start remembering stuff.
3.5k to go. Come on. Flat all the way to the finish line now. Thank God. About 15 minutes more of running. I can see Arundel Castle. Not far now. Come on. Here we are. Nearly finished. At the finish line. Sprint finish. Oh man. So close.
It was at that moment I realised I fucked up. Too excited to finish and see my family and friends, I overshot the finish line completely. I just didn't see any signs.
Went the wrong way at the end, didn't I? Here it is. Oh, finally. Woohoo!
Congratulations for finishing the UK Ultra Springtide 50K. Well done!
Oh.
You did it. Well
done! Ladies and gentlemen, finishing the UK Ultra Springtide 50K. Well done!
Oh my goodness me.
So good.
So hot. Oh my God. Are you proud of Dada? Did you see me halfway as well? You gave me a big kiss and cuddle and high five. That really helped me. Amazing support. So final thoughts. That was bloody hard. Really happy I got sub 6. Really happy because I was super struggle at halfway 30k. Knee was really sore, so sore. But then just had to walk for a bit, kept stretching it out, ate as much as I could, drank a lot of fluids and lots of gels. And then I saw that I was possibly in a chance of getting sub 6. Ooh, excuse me. And just kept going. And I ran with this bloke, I can't remember his name, but I'm going to find out. He's a legend. Yeah. He's in the dugout, absolute lad. 53 years old from Eastbourne. He pulled me through and then I gunned it on the last 3k along the river. Beer o'clock. Lovely 0 beer to finish. Oh God, go on, Ben. That was really, really hard.
Final post-race thoughts. I absolutely loved the challenge of it all and learnt so much, and here are my 3 top key learnings. So, first, that never before mentioned tip that I only found out during the race. Don't do up your vest too tight, as it rubbed my rib cage and got really sore for the last 10k. I used the Solomon Advanced Skin 12 and it was amazing, and I really didn't need to do it up so tightly. Secondly, do the numbers on the carbs and salt intake and stick to your plan. And lastly, walk up the steep bits if you want to enjoy the second half of the race. Thanks to UK Ultra for putting on an amazing event. I will absolutely be looking for another one soon. I will never forget my first ultra, and especially the ending.
Congratulations for finishing the UK Ultra Springtide 50K. Well done!